Hi! So I decided to make this video because people were asking me to make this video. Now, as we all know, Gladys Resigns has resigned, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm not exactly a fan of her, so I'm not mad, but what I have been noticing is that a lot of people are being really aggressive and toxic about it online. Now, that being said, I am glad that she resigned. I feel like that she has been involved with, a lot of stuff recently, and I think that it's worth mentioning that I feel like the state got infected, as in my state, Victoria, got infected because she wouldn't lock down early enough. But there's all been a question that we've all been asking. How did she get away with the corruption? And a lot of people were asking about this in terms of her old partner. Now, apparently, she is actually one of the main focuses of the current court case. Now, I think that's kind of funny, if I do say so myself, because it's like, well, we all thought that she got away with it, and it really seems like that she may not have. Now, I hope that she's fine in terms of being a person. What I don't hope is that I don't hope she gets away with it if she did anything wrong. Obviously, I wasn't there. I'm not part of the situation. I only know what is presented to me through the media. But things have been sus. Gladys is sus. So I guess that's that. And if you're wondering why I look ratchet today, I got my vaccine the other day and I've been a little bit under the weather, and then, I've been doing homework. So I have a lot of homework to do. I found out that I have to resubmit 11 assessments from 6 months ago. So yeah. Anyway, I guess that's all today. I'm going to upload this unedited, so sorry about the lack of editing. I promise once I've got everything all sorted, I will try and get some proper, more quality videos down, but I haven't really had time because I was dropped this bomb. Anyway,